Multimodal AI means artificial intelligence that can work with more than one type of data. Traditional AI systems usually worked with one type of input. For example, a text-based AI system understands text, an image model understands images, a speech model understands audio. But multimodal AI can work with the multiple input types together. It can understand text, images, audio and video in one system. The word multi means many, and modality means type of data. So multimodal AI means AI that understands many types of data together. Now look at the common input types shown in the first visual. The first input is text. This can be a question, prompt, instruction or document text. The second input is image. This can be a photo, screenshot, chart, diagram or scanned document. The third input is audio. This can be speech, sound, voice note or meeting recording. The fourth input is video. This can be a sequence of frames, a lecture video, a product demo or a recorded event. The key idea is that one AI model can combine these inputs and build a better understanding. How multimodal AI works internally? The flow starts with input. The user may provide one or more inputs. For example, the user may provide text only, or the user may provide text plus image, or text plus audio, or even text, image, audio and video together. After receiving the input, the AI system performs encoding. Encoding means converting the input into a machine-readable format. Text is converted into text features. Images are converted into visual features. Audio is converted into sound or speech features. Video is converted into frame and motion features. In simple words, the AI model converts each data type into a format it can understand. After encoding, the next step is fusion and reasoning. Fusion means combining signals from different input types. For example, suppose you upload a product image and ask, "What is wrong with this item?" The AI does not only read the text question, it also studies the image. Then it combines the meaning of the question with the visual information. This combined understanding helps the AI reason better. Reasoning means the model tries to understand relationships and context. It may identify objects in an image. It may connect the spoken words with a visual scene. It may read text from a document and also understand the layout. Finally, the AI produces output. The output can be an answer, it can be a summary, it can be an image caption. It can also be generated content such as explanation, recommendation, or response. So the simple internal flow is this. Multiple inputs go into the model. The model encodes each input. Then it combines the signals. It reasons across the information. And finally it returns a better output